He showed me the path in the darkest times. Had he not written those books, had those books not reached me, had पूरी प्रणाली में यदि एक भी चीज अगर नहीं होती तो मैं आज यहाँ नहीं होता. I had a friend, right? So he took me to the ISKCON temple and he handed me this guitar. Then I started reviving and playing basketball in some place and I was very close by to Juhu ISKCON. Radha Rani ke plans agar aap dekho and what Krishna desires agar aap dekho and it's too perfect. Deities interact. Yes. They interact. They tell you what to do, what not to do. Job लगी हुई थी तो मैं आधा टाइम स्क्रिप्ट ही लिख रहा होता था. Right? I used to weep praying to Krishna, please get me out of here. I am not here to do this. The challenge was not to just make a film, but वो सारी चीजें करना जो आज से पहले किसी ने नहीं करी. हमारा जो घर, we had to put it out on mortgage. ये आहुति होना बहुत आवश्यक है. किसके लिए? ये नाम बाहर जाने के लिए, लोगों के हृदय तक पहुंचने के लिए. So we lived through that. दोनों, मैं ये कहता हूँ, मियाँ बीवी के घुटने छील गए और परिवारों को सब कुछ दाव पे लग गया. महाअवतार नरसिम्हा is the highest. My name, Shilpa's name, अगर हमको हटाना भी पड़ जाए, we were okay at one point.
Seeing devotees in the theater, leaving the chapels aside, doing kirtan, it's a revolution.
वो Srila Prabhupada के teachings have transformed so many lives and it is going to transform for 10,000 years. Before starting the film, I had two films in mind. Okay, I'll share this with you on this podcast.
Hare Krishna, welcome to a brand new episode of Frankly Speaking. Surprise, surprise, surprise. Today we have extremely special guest, Ashwin, director of Mahavatar Narasimha.
Hare Krishna.
Ashwin ji, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप आए और you agreed to for this podcast. I've been very eagerly waiting to get back to you on this. तो मेरा candid confession है.
जी.
जब मैं कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस में आया और प्रभुपाद की बुक्स पढ़ने लगा, द स्केल इन विच प्रभुपाद डिस्क्राइब्स दिस नरेशन भागवतम में, मैं सोचता था यार इट शुड बी ऑन अ बिग स्केल, ऑन अ ग्रैंड स्केल, एंड यू हैव फुलफिल्ड दैट डिजायर ऑफ माइन. इनफैक्ट एवरी डिवोटी हु रीड्स प्रभुपाद्स बुक्स वो चाहता था कि एटलीस्ट वो बड़े स्केल में देखे.
जी जी.
एंड एक और चीज़ है जो मैं कन्फेशन करना चाहता हूँ कि हम सबकी एक डिजायर्स होती है बिफोर कमिंग टू कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस. लेकिन जब कृष्णा कॉन्शियस में आ जाते हैं एंड डिवोटीज कहते हैं कि वो डिजायर्स जो है प्रभुपाद या कृष्णा स्पिरिचुअली फुलफिल कर देता है. जैसे कि डिजायर है कि मूवी देखना, थिएटर में जाना, मजे करना. थैंक्स टू महावतार, थैंक्स टू योर एंडेवर्स एंड हार्ड वर्क, वी कुड रीलिव दैट डिजायर्स इन अ स्पिरिचुअली पोटेंट वे. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. तो मेरा प्रश्न पहला ये है कि वाज योर चाइल्डहुड लाइक दिस, और आप बचपन से इंटरेस्टेड थे भक्ति में या समथिंग हैपेंड लेटर? बचपन कैसा था आपका? पेरेंट्स कैसे थे? अपब्रिंगिंग कैसा था आपका?
So my birthplace is basically Thane. मेरा जन्म थाने में है. मेरी मदर इज नेपालीज, राइट? she's and Nepal is a very soft place, right? And she's from a Brahmin Nepalese family. So visiting her अपने ननिहाल में जब भी विजिट करते तो I could see these Brahminical traits, practices. I could not understand what those were, of course.
जो rituals वगैरह
Rituals चल रहे होते हैं, कुछ तो भी हो रहा है हमेशा. Something or the other is happening. There are some very stern do's and don'ts, and everyone will give you the eyes if something
goes wrong. Left hand से नहीं, right hand से.
Right. तो वो सब चल रहा है. तो I used to I didn't understand it, but I noticed all that.
I would pause for a moment.
जी.
When you said your mother comes from Nepal and she's inclined spiritually, तो there's a saying, it's a reality also. Prabhupada also बहुत बार बताता है कि son gets the traits from his mother.
अच्छा.
Daughter का जो traits है वो father से आता है.
अरे वाह.
Yeah, continue.
Wonderful. I think I can agree to it probably. Yes, thank you. So she I saw those traits, right? And but it was a family which was very rich with these kind of traditions. I could understand that. बट क्यों क्या चीज फॉलो हो रही थी शायद मुझे नहीं पता, उनको भी पता होगा नहीं पता होगा, आई वुड डिटर टू से इट, बट ऐसा था. बट माई फादर्स साइड, he comes from a Delhi family, Punjabi family, and before the ancestors, of course, before the partition, Punjab se pehle Pakistan Punjab side mein rehte
Pakistan,
the,
Punjab side.
right? My grandfather and stuff, but my father was born in Delhi, and but he grew up from that kind of a space where everything was tithar bithar because they had to readjust and
Start from the scratch.
Start from the scratch, right? So, and there are a slew of 7 brothers and 3 sisters and stuff like that. So he worked really hard. So before my birth, right around my birth, my father got a job in Saudi Arabia because he was employed with the WHO. It was a very important, let's say, a career turn for him. Just like this film is a career turn for me.
For you.
So it was a very important career turn for him. So at that time, very early in their lives, where I already had an elder sister, they took a conscious sacrifice where my mother was stationed in India and he went to Saudi Arabia.
अच्छा, था थाने में कि दिल्ली में?
Delhi mein. At that time he was in Delhi. My father is a Delhiite, like I said, right? But I was born in Thane. That's the only relation I had. So for very long time, that sacrifice. So my mother brought us up by herself, right? So she would work hard every day. She would send us to school. She would teach us.
आपका पहला real guru.
Right. So I saw her do everything. I saw my mother do everything. She was like my first hero. You understand? And she would give us the stories. And somehow or the other, bachpan se, before I could do anything, I started drawing at a very young age. 2.5 se I started drawing. Every kid does probably, but I was good at it. And मेरे घर की जितनी भी दीवारें थी, मैं उस पे चलचित्र बना के, whatever paint, I would turn it into a drawing, right? And but she was very supportive. My father was very kind. They struggled and they sacrificed and they made whatever wealth they could make. And eventually, what I was naturally gifted, right, into music, into arts, into these kind of things. It's called samskaras. I think purva janam ke samskar honge. My mother was struggling with me in raising us, and not really struggling, but making her best, I will say, at that point in time. So,
you mean to say financially or या आपकी
by herself, because she was by herself. Although we had some families ka support, like my elder aunt and uncle were there, but for a woman alone to take care of 2-3 children by herself when the husband is away for so many years, and I'm not talking about 1 year, I'm talking about good 8-10 years at that time. I could only see my father twice, 2 months in a year at that time. So that was the earliest memory I had of him. And again, but dhire then he shifted his grounds to Muscat. And for about takriban तीसरी कक्षा के बाद we transported to Muscat. So that was my real endeavor with my father from there.
So high school वगैरह आपने मस्कत में खत्म किया?
Yeah, a majority part of my high school. And तो फिर मेरा दिमाग वहाँ से आर्ट को लेके खुल गया. Because the exposure was suddenly international.
जो स्कूल में इंटरनेशनल लेवल का जो
exposure मिल गया. International बच्चे हो गए. So suddenly मैं look at how beautifully Krishna designs, right? So in Muscat में जाकर के I got exposed to lot of international music, international dance, international art, and I never formally learned any of these things. I just picked it up.
So घर पे ही मम्मी encourage करती थी बस?
हाँ, मम्मी पापा
अलग से ट्यूशन के लिए, अलग से क्लासेस के लिए नहीं जाते थे? या ड्राइंग हो, पेंटिंग हो, म्यूजिक हो?
Everything.
इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स क्या बजाते थे बचपन से?
So I picked up playing the piano with both hands by myself. Right. I learned the chord structure by myself. I started listening to music and mimicking the entire music by myself. I never formally learned it. I started looking at pictures and just making it by myself. And then suddenly from imagination. So, एक होता है कि आप copy कर रहे हैं.
एक imagination.
So I really became so-called good at सोचना and then quickly making it. So that training, self-training, automatically happened. तो पढ़ाई में कम करता था, मैं यही कर रहा होता था पूरा दिन, so it was like that.
Marks were good?
Averagely above average, around that. पास से ऊपर
ही. Your siblings were similar to you और उनका लड़ाई वगैरह?
नहीं, I was a very peaceful child. I was always in my own world. मेरे घर में problem में ये था, actually problem में ये था, they used to think I'm in my own world. But the thing is, I used to draw a lot of gods. मैं बचपन से ही I used to keep drawing gods. I don't know why.
भगवत गीता में एक वर्ड है, योग भ्रष्टो भी जायते.
जी.
those who couldn't continue their spiritual
Yeah,
life,
just
they'll be born in a family where they can
में.
continue.
Continue,
further.
yes.
So, yeah,
So-
continue.
So इसी प्रकार से शायद भगवान ने इस फैमिली को चुना जिसमें मेरा जन्म हुआ है. इस आत्मा, इस शरीर ने, ये आत्मा ने ये शरीर लिया, ये धारण किया है, क्योंकि आई थिंक इट कंटिन्यूज फ्रॉम देयर. आई रियली बिलीव व्हाट यू सेइंग. So I used to draw a lot of Bhagwan, gods. I didn't know why I was doing it. Even Guru Nanak Dev Ji, even Jesus Christ, a lot of faith-based. And eventually now it turns out that why I can put the pieces
Now
of the
together.
puzzles and see what truly happened. So that was my childhood, Muscat say. And then something or the other happened in 2000. In 98, we had to come back to Delhi because some things happened in my father's life over there in Muscat. And then suddenly I'm in a new pool.
कौन सा स्कूल में थे या क्लास में थे तब?
So in my 8th standard, I came back to Delhi. Now suddenly from a very international exposure, you are in suddenly a very different pool, a different
Which part
mindset.
of Delhi you were in?
This is North Delhi.
North Delhi,
Yeah,
okay.
which is the most Delhi part
Most
of Delhi.
part of Delhi. Okay.
Right. And I was initially kind of out of place. Right. Then I started learning how to understand different mindsets, maneuver my way. You know, I felt like an alien there initially, but then you learn your ways through. You know, those are struggles of the world. You are made fun of for being different. That is resonant in the film also.
Being different.
Being different. For
How were you
thinking
different from the rest of the audience?
Because I would not do those kind of things they would generally be doing, like making fun and. I was
Delhi ke ladke, Delhi
yeah,
ke
yeah,
gaaliyan.
yeah, gali galoj. That's not natural to me. So, but to fit in, then you do those kind of things, no? And that's the resonant in this film also. You see Prahlad Maharaj going through that kind of a circle, right? Where you are made fun of being different. उसमें एक डायलॉग है, इसके तो दांत भी अलग हैं. They make fun of Prahlad Maharaj. जो बोल रहा है उसके भी दांत नहीं है वैसा.
राजपुत्र है,
हाँ,
लेकिन राजपुत्र जैसे नहीं दिखता.
You understand? So that's a common thing in schools, right? To be different is almost like akin to being evil in so many ways. You are bullied for being different. So
that did affect आपको उससे कुछ परेशानी हुई?
नहीं, it spawned fire in me. Then I joined sports. I became one of the best. I became the sports captain of my school. I was into dance. Then I suddenly, then people started looking me. Oh, he's so talented and stuff. ये कब बड़े होके कुछ तो करेगा. You know that.
So multi-talented. You're into art, sports, music,
everything I could get my hands to.
Okay.
I just wanted to be best.
Jack of all or master of all?
They considered me master. I considered myself Jack.
Okay.
Right, because it depends on the pool you're competing with. No.
सही है, वो तो सही है.
Yeah. So, but मेरे को ऐसा था कि मुझे कुछ करना है. Like there is something in me that was always a very strong calling. My father had said something very wonderful to me. He had said कि बेटा जो भी करना बेस्ट करना, चाहे तू चपरासी भी बनना बेस्ट बन जाना. And that just like stuck like a mantra. It stuck into my head. And I started exploring myself. I knew that I'm never going to be best in some sort of
academic.
I loved academics, but it just never,
that didn't trigger you.
Never triggered me.
Your call.
Yeah. My calling was like taking me always. So in the classes, I used to be drawing always. Like accounts teacher is saying that, and the teachers had a lot of expectations from me because बहुत talented लड़का है, बहुत intelligent है, कुछ तो करेगा. तो हर teacher को लगता है उसी के subject में करेगा. Like so sweetly they were trying to mentor me.
Right. Teachers are like that. They want the best student to be their best student.
Yes. मुझे ऐसा लगता है education system में that it is very important कि very early you should pick the trait of a child and उसी को आप फलीभूत करें तो अच्छा है.
गुण कर्म विभाग.
Yes.
That's what
because
emphasizes.
Yes. So if your nature is to be an artist, you should nurture the person to be an artist. Math वो तो ठीक है. Foundation basics
fundamentals.
And if you are supposed to be an actor or that's how you get the best purushartha of everyone. I think academics lacks.
तो colleges में भी ऐसा चलता रहा आपका?
Same. After 12th, my father came back to around my 10th. My father came back to Delhi. Then he was struggling with his job at that time. Then he found his new calling, his new job. He had an entire career resettlement at that time. We were also going through a lot of financial crisis at that time. And after 12th, we were contemplating what I should do. And I told him that I want to do animation. This is after my 12th, right?
In the early 2000s.
In early 2000s.
Animation कहाँ है इंडिया में 2000
कुछ नहीं था. Right? And my father thought that it requires science, unfortunately. But then he said, maybe you could try to pursue it. You should pursue BBA. तो I didn't know much about BBA. ऐसा ठीक है कर लेते हैं हम, कुछ तो अच्छा ही होगा. So that's bachelor's in business. So Bhagwan is now arranging for me at that time. He's arranging me for me to learn entrepreneurship and arranging me to learn the arts. So it's a very rare combination.
Plan चल रहा था भगवान
Yeah. Now I understand his divine
plan for you.
Yeah. So I joined Amity University. Then I studied BBA. Then we shift our base from Delhi to Faridabad. This is in 2000. And the house that we shift in, the right next door, common wall. There's a girl over there. She also finished her 12th, and her name is Shilpa, who later on becomes my wife.
Wow.
Right? And the producer for the film. So understand this
Arrangement. Again, the will of the process.
Yeah, it's all arrangement. And she became a very good friend of mine. I used to mentor her, right? Like what to do, what not to do. And then we became good friends. We were never dating or anything throughout our entire thing. So we joined the same college, Amity. So we used to aana jana sab ikatthe. And she picked up finance, I picked up marketing. But during the Amity days, I used to be involved into dance, into acting, into art. That was my natural foraying, right? Never too much into studies again. And everybody knew me in the, ye to were very talented, etc., etc. You know how it is. After college, now again my father sets me up, what do you want to do? Right?
Future ko to paise chahiye.
Right. And he's seen the struggles of India now. He's bahar working, he understands, right? Then I told him I want to pursue animation. This time I was clear. Because 3 साल कॉलेज के मैंने पढ़ाई तो किया, पास तो हुआ मैं, नंबर भी ठीक ठाक आ गए, बट आई यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज बी ड्राइंग. सो आई अंडरस्टूड कि मेरे को जॉब भी लग जाएगा तो भी मैं आई यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज बी ड्राइंग. सो इट इज बेटर आई ओन दीज स्किल्स, राइट? एंड शिल्पा का फिर शी क्रैक्ड हर जितने भी एग्जाम्स वगैरह होते हैं, शी वेंट टू स्टडी फाइनेंस टू लंदन.
ओके.
तो भगवान उनको लंदन में भेज दिया फाइनेंस वगैरह पढ़ने. मैनचेस्टर कर रहे हैं,
अभी आपको प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं.
वहाँ पे उनको मैनचेस्टर बिजनेस स्कूल में भेज दिया. शी स्टडीइंग अ फाइनेंस एंड आई एम नाउ गॉन टू बॉम्बे. सो माय फोरिंग इनटू बॉम्बे स्टार्ट्स. बट बिफोर दिस स्टार्ट्स इन 2002, आउट ऑफ माय स्पिरिचुअल क्यूरियोसिटी, आई एम एट दिस पॉइंट लिटिल एथिस्टिक इन माय लाइफ. आई एम क्वेश्चनिंग एवरीथिंग. क्यों हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है? You see, till about 13 years of our life, हम सारे संस्कार माँ बाप से अंधाधुंध लेते हैं.
As it is.
We don't have much. 13 to 25 years challenge everything, right? And that is when I was going through that agnostic, atheist kind of a situation. I started reading a lot. Spiritual texts, who's saying what, why, and a lot of communist kind of ideas also come to you, liberating kind of ideas come to you, right? And you question everything.
Karl Marx, Lenin,
everything.
Books are full of
everything. Yeah. All sorts of thoughts, counter thoughts, logic, counter logics. Right? You got to get into philosophy, dwell into a little bit. I didn't know I was into philosophy till then. You read Ayn Rand and these kind of books, तो इनका प्रभाव पड़ता है mind में, right? You become this individualistic person. So went through that cycle, and then I went to Bombay. So in Bombay, I became independent. So I was venturing into animation. It was a 2-year course, and I was so much fire in my belly that I was ahead of the curve of everybody. And the teachers were very shocked at what they were seeing.
For the animation course you went to?
Yeah. Okay. उनको भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा था how to handle my energy.
Mumbai, you were supported by your
my
family?
Parents.
Okay.
My parents were supporting me. So जब वो चल रहा था, ये सारी चीजें चल रही थी, I was foraying into lot of other things. And a lot of other things that I should not have gotten into also. Okay. Because now you are independent. अभी कोई जवाबदारी नहीं है.
That's what happens to youngsters when they go away from their family. Want to explore drugs, women.
Yes. All those things started happening. So, but at one side, my spiritual consciousness is also because I'm reading. But I'm questioning.
You're a seeker.
I'm a seeker. 100%. I know that there is something. कुछ तो है. But I'm not getting the right answers. Right? So I'm reading all the tantras, I'm reading all the other Bible texts, the Quran, I'm reading so many Puranic texts. सब चल रहा है parallel में. I pray every day. I also pray every day. It's very amazing.
Whom
But-
do you used to pray at that time? Like a typical Indian Hindu who believes in everyone.
Oh, you will not believe. With my first stipend, I got a. मैंने मंदिर बनवाया, उसमें मैंने हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे,
ये
हरे राम
मंदिर
हरे
कहाँ से मिला आपको?
राम राम हरे हरे. Because I had the Srila Bhagavad Gita as it is with me.
Oh, is it? When did you get this?
2002.
कैसे?
At my college, I had a friend, right? So he took me to the ISKCON temple. And he handed me this Gita. That time I was reading everything. But मैंने seriously नहीं पढ़ा था उसको. But in Bombay, I started reading 5 shlokas every day.
Okay.
As a niyam. I don't know why.
अभी प्रभुपाद घुसने लगे.
घुसने लग गए थे. 5 shlokas every day. No matter what bad things I was doing in my life. Right? So sweet he is this. He saved me in so many ways, Srila Prabhupada. I can't begin
मुंबई
to
की
thank.
माया नगरी में सारे माया में फंसे हुए
Yeah,
5
yeah.
भगवत गीता का श्लोक हर दिन
Every day, after shower, come out and I will read 5 shlokas every day. Sometimes I would chant. Actually, that friend had inspired me. Something or the other had happened. I would chant one round, read 5 shlokas every day, and then do the bad things.
गरम किया पानी डाला.
Yeah,
गरम
yeah,
किया पानी
yeah.
डाला. So that friend of yours was Vartama Pradakshaka Guru, one
Yes,
who introduced
correct.
to Krishna consciousness.
True.
Yeah.
True. So that was going on, and फिर धीरे धीरे शायद गीता पढ़नी छूट गई. I do not know what had happened. I dwelled more into darkness.
Okay.
Job लग गई.
You want to share something darkness so that the people can relate.
You know
I
all
can
the
come
4
out of it.
All the 4 things का opposite.
Okay. What are the 4 things?
All 4 niyams that
Intoxication, illicit sex, gambling,
intoxication,
meat eating.
illicit sex, gambling, and meat eating.
You
Opposite.
indulge in all these things.
Majorly.
Okay.
Majorly. मतलब मैं ये कहूँगा कि I know now why not to do them.
Okay.
Like if somebody talks to me about it, why are you somebody can question me, are you portraying to be humble? I say I know why I have to be like this. Because I've seen the dark
You
side.
have lived that experience.
Yes. I've seen where all these things can get you.
Because most of them who will be watching youngsters सब देखेंगे आपको पता.
Yes. Where all the intoxications can get you, where extreme lust can take you, where gambling can take you, where meat eating can take you, and what kind of horrific things it can do to the mind, consciousness, and body.
ये कब तक चला ये battle?
Till I was
betting
about
yourself
26
and
years of age. 26, 27.
The battle was going on. Reading
Battle was
Bhagavad
going
Gita
on.
and indulging in all this.
Yes,
दोनों
yes,
चल
yes.
रहा था parallel.
मैंने फिर भगवद गीता पढ़ना छोड़ दिया because it was affecting me.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes,
You put it aside, रथ के अंदर डाल देते हो आप. Because you know somewhere the deep conscious
ये गलत है, ये गलत है.
ये चित्त को तो affect कर रहा है ना, आपको पता है नहीं करना चाहिए. Right? But then you read it in some other text that it is okay. You read it in some sort of
You cherry pick things which is favorable for you.
Yes. So that hypocrisy was there. That hypocrisy.
Beginning में Krishna consciousness, everyone goes through that because we are
because
habitual.
suddenly it's too much to let go, na?
Yeah.
It's suddenly too much to let go, right? How do you?
Prabhupada
How
gives the example of electric fan.
Ji.
You switch off the fan because of the momentum, it still rotates.
Yeah.
We are in that stage. Prabhupada assures us time will come, it will stop.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that was there.
26 के बाद क्या हुआ then?
So then I started reviving and playing basketball in some place, and I was very close by to Juhu ISKCON. So I started visiting Juhu ISKCON again. देखिए भगवान किस तरह से
भड़क के जा रहा था फिर से बुला
लेते हैं, right? So over there I used to go start having prasad. वो स्फूर्ति वापस आनी शुरू हो गई.
कृष्णा गीता में कहते हैं स्वल्पमस्य यस्य धर्मस्य त्रायते महतो भयात्. Even a little endeavor a devotee does, he'll save you from the greatest danger.
Correct.
थोड़ा सा भक्ति किया है, जा रहा है, चलो let us give him an opportunity.
Correct.
And वो basketball अभी
जो
कि temple के पास.
Yeah. Can you imagine? Like so Juhu ISKCON, and then some devotees met me over there. You know, devotees are so kind, they have a habit of catching hold of people soon.
That's their duty, that's their life.
Yeah, that's their life. So they understood that I'm into media, into animation. At that time, I was into a job. I started working, and I was doing a job at a very good pay scale.
After your animation, you got a job.
I was struggling for a bit. but I was very unsettled. You can see I was very unsettled because I was looking for something. तो कुछ मैंने advertising में काफी time काम किया. Then I picked up a job. Then I was doing Bollywood films into animation, VFX. At the same time, a lot of indulgence is there because the kind of people you are hanging out with.
जैसा संग वैसा रंग.
बस उसी रंग में ढले हुए हैं, वही सारी चीजें चल रही हैं.
Parties, night outs.
Yeah. Night is a day.
Night is a day.
Yeah. Brahma Muhurat means something else.
Krishna Gita. या निशाचारी.
Nishachar. Yeah.
Night for the self-realized is different from the night for the...
Night realization, no self-realization. So, इस तरह से था. परंतु, हाँ, so
devotee touch में आए आपके?
Devotee touch में आए. And they started calling me to a base in Gurgaon. So, I started visiting the base at that time. And फिर वहाँ पे question answers और तर्क होने लग गए. And that my old friend of mine, उससे पहले, just पहले, he connected back with me and he pushed me.
जो आपको गीता दिया था.
जो मेरे को गीता दिया था. He pushed me to go for a course at ISKCON Chowpatty, right? And this course was Science of
Self-Discovery.
Science of Self-Discovery. And this was taken by Shriman Gaur Gopal Prabhu.
Oh,
at that
Hari
time, right? So this is Gaur Gopal Prabhu at his young peak. You're talking, right? And that 5 days session opened me up. All my questions, tark, you know. So when tark ends, then only your heart opens.
Then you surrender.
Right. So once that tark opened, oh Prabhu, what do I say? So after that, I knew that I can't live hypocrisy anymore. अब तो चांटा पड़ गया.
Yes, chant करना ही पड़ेगा.
Right. अब because every answer is a slap on your ego.
Correct.
You think you
That's
know.
what
so
teachings
much.
of Prabhupada.
Yes. Once the understanding comes. तो वो गौर गोपाल प्रभु का वो साइंस सेल्फ डिस्कवरी कोर्स दैट ओपनड मी अप एंड दैट चैनलाइज्ड सो मच स्पिरिचुअलिटी इन मी दैट इन वन नाइट आई हैड टू टेक अ डिसीजन. आई रिमेंबर इट्स कॉल्ड द नाइट ऑफ द स्पिरिट सोल करके इसको कहते हैं ना. आई थिंक इन फिलोसफी दे कॉल इट द डार्क नाइट ऑफ द सोल, ऐसे करके बोलते हैं ग्रीक फिलोसफी या उसमें. Where you're
basically
the soul
a turning point, a flash point which changes everything forever.
That changes everything. So I had to make that choice because I could not live to see myself hypocritically knowing this and not doing this because now my logics had been answered. उससे पहले मेरा लॉजिक्स आंसर नहीं था. I had a caveat of निकलने का हर एक रास्ता था. So बस फिर छोड़ना पड़ा. So all
प्रोसेस क्या था उस रात को कि क्या चल रहा था आपके मन में?
आई न्यू कि मैं इसको धीरे धीरे नहीं छोड़ सकता. लेट्स से इफ आई वाज स्मोकिंग, आई नो कि मैं ये 5 सिगरेट पीता हूं तो 2 कर दूंगा, ऐसा होगा नहीं. तो काटना है तो पूरा ही काटना पड़ेगा.
तो आपको सिगरेट काटना पड़ा, इंटॉक्सिकेशन,
सिगरेट,
विमेन, एक ही रात को आपने काटा.
एक ही रात को काटना पड़ा. एक ही रात को.
कन्विक्शन कैसे आया? प्रभुपाद की टीचिंग से, है ना?
Yes. Teachings I was already receiving, but the understanding was not there.
Yeah.
आप समझिए, I was reading Bhagavad Gita 5 श्लोक्स every day for so many years, right? So I thought मेरे को समझ में आ रहा है, right? But समझ में नहीं आ रहा था.
When you consult a devotee, then they transform.
भक्त जन ने जब वो जगाया, चेतना में जगाया उसको, तब वो फलीभूत हो गया.
सही है.
और जब वो फलीभूत हुआ, then I could not, right? And then suddenly
उसके बाद you never fell for it.
No, but the urges were there. But I deviation होना हुआ है, but मेरा संगत टूट गया. सबसे बड़ा हुआ, all the friends started धीरे धीरे.
जब भक्त बन जाते हो by default निकल जाते
हैं. Yeah. And everything started changing in my life. गर्लफ्रेंड छूट गई उस टाइम जो थी. मतलब I could not relate, she could not relate. Suddenly
ये क्या हो गया इसको?
हाँ, like
how did you break up if you don't mind?
Same thing, because my spiritual callings became so strong that we became 2 different people suddenly. Suddenly we are 2 different
Vibes
people.
match नहीं हो रहे.
हो ही नहीं रहा.
तो मंदिर जा रहे हो कहीं और.
राइट. सो वो मैच नहीं हो रहा है. ईटिंग हैबिट्स चेंज हो गए सडनली.
गोविंदास में जा रहे हैं, रेस्टोरेंट में जा रहा है.
राइट. यू कांट सिट एंड ईट.
धोती कुर्ता पहन रहे हो.
करेक्ट. सो ऑल द फिलोसफी स्टार्टेड. वन डे में फिलोसफी चेंज हो गया. You understand? Yeah. So all these things happened, but I was. It had a rub-off effect on those people also
who came in touch with.
Who I came in touch with. So they also became. A lot of them became vegetarians, at least.
At least.
Right? They started doing yoga at least. So all these things have an
That
impact.
soft corner for
Yeah.
spirituality, Krishna
Yeah,
consciousness.
Yeah. It has a rub-off effect.
It's not my cup of coffee, but I do believe it
Yes,
exists.
yes.
If Ashwin is doing it, if he can get transformed,
yes,
so it should be there should be something in that.
There must be something to it, right?
इतना talented बंदा ऐसे ही नहीं लेगा.
तो something had an effect. तो ये सब हुआ. उसके बाद सन 2009 के आसपास my family knew that I'm going through some tough time now, and I
Tough time because of this practicing Krishna
this
consciousness?
change that I'm going through. I
You're
I
giving
did
up
not
the-
know.
Giving up that and taking up Krishna consciousness.
I
That
was
a
not.
tough
I
time?
never proclaimed that I'm taken up, but they knew that I'm got into spirituality, and my job suddenly became
उनको वो
unstable.
tough time है.
हाँ, नहीं मेरा जॉब भी अनस्टेबल
Job भी unstable था.
अनस्टेबल
Okay,
हो
okay.
गया.
Recession and all
सब
those
कुछ
things.
हाँ उस टाइम पे रिसेशन आ गया था अपना VFX इंडस्ट्री के
Correct,
अंदर. Suddenly I became a freelancer from a very settled job, right? And also उससे just पहले I ventured into filmmaking myself. I wanted to make films at that time. जब बॉम्बे गया था तभी मैंने सोचा था किसी दिन
Film बनाना ही बनाना
एक
है.
फिल्म बनाना है, राइट? और ये 9-10 के आसपास में भक्त जन मेरे घर में भी आ रहे हैं, हमारी दोस्ती भी हो रही है, एंड वी हैड अ डिस्कशन ओवर देयर अबाउट नरसिम्हा भगवान एज अ फिल्म.
Oh. So that was my next question.
Yes, yes.
आपको नरसिम्हा ही क्यों बनाया आपने? बहुत
Correct.
सारे अवतार थे. अभी ट्रेंड तो हनुमान जी का चल रहा है,
Correct, correct.
रामायण का चल रहा है.
So every day I would read, I would listen. I had a iPod my sister had gifted me, and I had loaded up the entire Srila Prabhupada के lectures.
Okay.
Huge library. मेरे कान में बस वो lectures चल रहे होते थे through the day, right? भक्तों से मेरी जब बात हो रही थी, तो I was getting very influenced by Srila Prabhupada's lectures. I was just like soaking it in, like because now I just like खुल गया दिमाग, like now I was just soaking it in. सुना पहले भी था.
डिवोटीज ने ट्रिगर किया और अभी प्रभुपाद पर्सनली आपको गाइड कर रहे हैं.
गाइड कर रहे हैं. And I was just all day listening to Prabhupada lectures.
What is special about Prabhupada's lecture? At that point of when you heard it for the first time or couple of times, and you're repeatedly hearing about Narasimha from Prabhupada, what is specialty of Prabhupada, the lectures and his Vani?
He's very clear, number one, and he is very sure what is being said, and there is a vibration in what he's saying, and you know it is the ultimate truth. पता नहीं कैसे है वो, right? वो जो बता रहे हैं अंदर सीधा जा रहा है, and you know it to be the ultimate truth. And then I obviously started going to Juhu temple, and I got connected with the Chowpatty temple जहाँ पे मैं वो हुआ था. तो मैं जुहू टेम्पल में एक बार बैठे हुए इनकी श्रीला प्रभुपाद की जर्नी देख रहा था. Because लीलामृत, yeah. His entire journey as young as Jaladuta, as he went, and his final अपना जो समाधि आचार्य सीरीज भी देख रहा था. I was trying to understand. Then I understood this is not an ordinary soul, first of all. जो इंसान तो है ही नहीं है. This is a very empowered entity that I'm listening to. तो मेरे को ये clear हो गया. So this is nothing ordinary. अच्छा, at the same time I also started listening to Astha Sanskar channel में भी I'm starting listening to lot of other sampradayas also. Understanding this darshan. Suddenly all this spiritual प्रभाविता हो रही है सारी.
हर जगह से
intake आ रहा है. So I like a sponge, I'm taking everything in. And I started talking to devotees about making films at that time. तो उन्होंने बोला कि नरसिंह भगवान पे तो बननी चाहिए. And I was like, हाँ बननी नहीं, किसी को तो बनानी चाहिए. किसी को तो बनानी चाहिए.
Okay.
So in my hearts of heart, I started drawing the film. Now remember बचपन में मैं जो imagine करता था मैं draw करते थे. Now I started drawing, thinking and creating.
Correct. Because 2009 आप जब बताया कि around 2007 or 8 we started this Little Krishna.
Yes.
And the first episode was made in ISKCON Bangalore studio.
Yes.
Chanchalapati Prabhu, Madhupani Prabhu, Chamari Mataji.
Yes. So Little Krishna first episode I saw in 2009. 2010, 9-10. You're right. Right. तो जब वो Little Krishna देखा था as an episode that it came out, it was very inspiring. I think somebody is doing it, right? So that means it can be done. And it must be done. So sir, लेकिन 2010 तक my life was really into lot of upheaval and down. And Shilpa was in London. तो लंदन से मेरे साथ कांटेक्ट में थी. अच्छा, पीछे यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा था, हम दोनों की मदर्स, since our house in common, neighbors, they became very good friends and they got associated to Krishna consciousness.
Okay.
Because I used to, whatever I was getting, I was giving to my mother and I was also giving to her mother also.
Okay.
So they also got into Krishna consciousness and they got associated with Noida ISKCON through Loknath Swami Maharaj and they got initiated there. अब ये सारी चीजें साथ साथ चल रही हैं लाइफ में एंड इन 2010 दे डिसाइडेड दे शुड गेट अस मैरिड.
ओके.
राधा रानी के प्लान्स अगर आप देखो एंड व्हाट कृष्णा डिजायर्स अगर आप देखो एंड इट्स टू परफेक्ट टू बी बिकॉज दिस इज ऑल डिवाइन. सो इन 2010 दे प्लान्ड दैट वी शुड गेट मैरिड. So initially both of us resisted. Shilpa also resisted because they're like, we are friends. Like we never thought of.
And you're separated by distance. And
Yeah. Although we knew everything that's happening in her life, she knew everything that's happening in my life. But we never thought of ourselves as partners. And my father said something very important that day.
Okay. Here also your father.
Yeah. कुछ तो वो एक
sentence बोलेंगे change हो जाएगा.
Yeah. So he said that. He said, Ashwin, this is a divine plan. Now, I do not know like why he said that, but he said. So I gave in. There must be something to it, right? So then in 2010, I came back to Delhi and I shifted my career. My father was into, basically, he's Dr. Deep Kumar Boluja is his name. I'm a film director. He's a medical director of one of the biggest hospitals in Delhi called the Jaipur Golden Hospital. So he tried to settle me into that line, saying ki ab career you should shift now. Yeah. You've had now you have to settle also. So he got me into medicine. He got me a good salary package through his sources, like a father must, try to resettle.
अभी यूथफुल गिरी बंद करो, अभी सेटल हो जाओ.
हाँ, शादी कर रहे हो, सेटल हो जाओ. तो all those things were there. So bas, yeah, that is how life was. In 2011, then we got married and I changed my career into this. But then me and Shilpa, when we got together, तब मैंने उनको बताया that my life is something much bigger.
No. How important is a partner be Krishna conscious?
Very, very. To have a God conscious partner is a boon. And to not have one, I can't tell, but I think it's a bigger boon because then you're forced to become more God conscious. So I used to give a lot of preaching to Shilpa and both of us used to talk a lot about spirituality from the very start. उनके घर के अंदर already श्री राधा कृष्ण विग्रह थे, सेवा बहुत पहले से ही हो रहा था. Right? So she dwelled into Krishna consciousness in that way. And after getting into ISKCON, my mother-in-law,
you introduced her to chanting of Krishna consciousness. Or her mother introduced to her?
Both, I think. Simultaneously. All these things organically हो रहा है. मैं श्रेय नहीं ले सकता उस चीज का. Right? But it was all happening. She used to listen to a lot of kirtan. Whenever she would speak, पीछे कीर्तन ही चल रहा होता था and all that. So all these things were happening.
Mother अगर कृष्णा कॉन्शियस बन जाती है ना, वो पूरा फैमिली को चेंज कर देती है.
Yes, most definitely.
उसके केस में भी मदर ही, आपके केस में भी बचपन से.
Yeah. We should target mothers only.
We celebrate Mother's Day in folk.
Yeah. So that way. So then it's very important for a partner. Some say the partner should be similar. I think the partner should be different because by nature Shilpa is very different than I am.
Finance में आप.
Yeah, and she is more of a, let's say, a leadership fire element. She is a person who can do a lot of strong discrimination on the apex to run. I am more fluid. You give me anything into any situation, I'll be more fluid. I'll figure my way out. I'll take things and create something. So it's a fire tattva, Agni tattva and Jal tattva. That's how I see myself and Shilpa together. So you put Jal under the fire and fire under the Jal, everything wrong can happen. But if you put them together, something great can happen.
Yes.
Right? So I think husband and wife should not be a similar this thing. If they are into service, then they have to be different. Why? Because only तब वो एक दूसरे को एक different दृष्टिकोण दे सकते हैं. Right? Otherwise, I'll become very comfortable in what I am doing.
How important is Krishna consciousness in family life?
Most important. Our day starts with हमारे घर में श्री जगन्नाथ जी की सेवा है, श्रीनाथ जी की सेवा है, नरसिंह भगवान की सेवा है. entire thing is around the temple of our house.
Okay.
Right? How to serve them, when to serve them, deity closing, reading
wonderful.
शास्त्र, and कब क्या करना है, कौन सा event next आ रहा है, किस प्रकार से जगन्नाथ जी को खुश, everything is revolving around that center.
जगन्नाथ के सेलिब्रेशंस, जो नरसिम्हा के सेलिब्रेशंस,
श्रीनाथ जी का everything is that is the center. उससे ही सब कुछ फलीभूत हो रहा है.
जो देख रहे हैं उनको क्या कहेंगे कि अगर मंदिर बन जाता है घर तो कैसे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होता है?
Entire life will change. Your perspective of जीवन का ही बदल जाएगा. दृष्टिकोण जीवन का मेरे ख्याल से दिव्य हो जाता है. आपको समझ में आता है हर चीज के पीछे भगवान का क्या भाव है. Not see because deities interact. Deities interact.
Yes.
They interact. They tell you what to do, what not to do. और जो हो रहा है फिर आप उनके साथ सुख दुख शेयर करते हो. I will embrace my Jagannath ji. We hug them and we cry, we weep, and they reciprocate.
You feed them every day.
Yeah.
भोग लगाते हो आप उनको.
वो he is part of my most important part of my family actually.
स्वामी प्रभुपाद बचपन में
रथ यात्रा खींचते
तो जगन्नाथ
या
बचपन में जो खेल थे वो पूरा दुनिया में उन्होंने
मोस्ट
शुरू कर दिया.
यस. तो वो श्रील प्रभुपाद के टीचिंग्स हैव ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड सो मेनी लाइव्स एंड इट इज गोइंग टू ट्रांसफॉर्म फॉर 10,000 years.
Just imagine, even without his physical presence, this is happening. Just imagine the
Vapu.
power of Vani.
Yeah. Vani and Vapu, like he has said, like it's too immense. And you understand this Gaura Leela, Gaura Shakti, you understand what it is now.
And Gauranga Mahaprabhu,
जी.
he prophesies, भविष्यवाणी की थी उन्होंने, नगरादि ग्रामादि सर्वत्र प्रचारे होइबे मोरा नाम.
जी.
Single-handedly on a bigger scale he has done that.
Yes.
He's सेनाधिपति.
100%. He's a Shaktavesh Avtar in my opinion. Yes. That's how.
And you give the credit to him.
Yes. 100%. Who else? He showed me the path in the darkest times. Had he not written those books, had those books not reached me, had a single पूरी प्रणाली में यदि एक भी चीज अगर नहीं होती तो मैं आज यहाँ नहीं होता.
I have goosebumps now. I'm tired up.
ये जो मैं सेवा जो मेरे को इस जन्म में इतनी मुश्किल से मिली, कितने जन्म की मेरी सेवा छोटी हुई है, ये आत्मा बन के मैंने ये शरीर धारण किया ये सेवा को कंप्लीट करने, श्रील प्रभुपाद नहीं होती तो मेरी सेवा फिर अटक जाती. दिस इज द पावर ऑफ दिस आत्मा.
No, I'm just touched by your words.
Yes.
Yeah. See, I remember Chanchalpati Prabhu telling me in 90s in the southern India. तो चैतन्य महाप्रभु के बारे में काफी पता नहीं, एटलीस्ट वेस्ट ईस्ट में थोड़ा पता है, नॉर्थ में थोड़ा बहुत, वृंदावन में पता. He wanted to have a movie done. जी. But लेकिन बाद में उनका टेम्पल कंस्ट्रक्शन के वगैरह नहीं हो पाया. So some devotees asked me, उनसे पूछो कि प्रभुपाद के बारे में या चैतन्य महाप्रभु के बारे में, गौड़ीय वैष्णव के बारे में कुछ प्लान्स है पाइपलाइन में, मे बी आफ्टर द 12 सीरीज.
Yes.
है कुछ ऐसा?
Most definitely. See, he is a Gupta avatar at the end of the day. So it has to be Gupta.
You are in Gupta Vrindavan.
You are in Gupta Vrindavan. We are there. See, Mahaprabhu ki Leela is a very Gopaniya Leela in terms of the bhava.
Correct.
And मुझे बस इसका थोड़ा डर लगता है दैट
कैसे रिवील करें उसको,
कैसे रिवील करें, बिकॉज इट कैन बी मिस इंटरप्रेटेड एंड मिस रिप्रेजेंटेड ऑल्सो फ्रॉम माई एंड, बिकॉज इट इज सो सटल भाव. दैट्स राधा रानी का भाव यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, दैट्स किशोरी जी का भाव आप प्रस्तुत करें व्हेन यू एक्चुअली टॉकिंग अबाउट मास ऑफ पीपल के लिए. इट इज अ
बिगर चैलेंज. चैतन्य महाप्रभु wills and Radha Rani wills,
yes,
he would definitely empower you, bless you.
No, but it is definitely going to be done. How it is going to be done is only that is the only caveat that I have to look at. I had कि
आपको प्रिपेयर कर रहे थे भगवान इसके लिए.
जी.
अभी आगे प्रभुपाद की कृपा से 100% हो जाएगा.
जी.
We all want that to happen.
No, thank you so much. Keep blessing me. आप वैष्णव के blessing से ही वो मुमकिन है. There is no other way that it can happen.
Another thing which I was just correlating, you chose Mahavatar Narsimha for your first.
जी.
Because हर एक चीज हम करते हैं, especially ISKCON में, हरे कृष्णा मूवमेंट में, प्रभुपाद चाहते हैं कि नरसिम्हा का आशीर्वाद लो पहले. Take blessings of Narsimha. He is called Vigna Vinashaka. He destroy all the obstacles.
जी.
I was thinking probably because of that you started off.
देखिए कहीं भी जगह अगर चीर फाड़ अगर करनी है तो नरसिंह भगवान को पहले होना चाहिए. So I remember. Okay, I remember.
रिकॉर्ड के सारे चीर पाड़ दिया अभी.
नहीं, नरसिंह भवन पढ़ रहे. I have nobody to do it. But when I was before starting the film, I had 2 films in mind. Okay, I'll share this with you on this podcast. The first film that I was thinking that I will do is Ajamil. और मैंने उस टाइम पे जब मेरी जॉब थी वो
Because it resonated with your
it
life.
resonated with me in my
मुंबई
life.
में.
Yeah. तो I had written that script. सन 2009 से मेरे पास वो लिख दी थी मैंने वो फिल्म. राइट. इनफैक्ट वो जब मैं उसमें जा रहा था ना, जब मेरी जॉब लगी हुई थी, तो मैं आधा टाइम स्क्रिप्ट ही लिख रहा होता था.
Okay.
Right. I used to weep, praying to Krishna, please get me out of here. I am not here to do this. I am sorry for whatever I have done wrong. You know, weeping tears. I remember sitting in parking lots of the hospitals and weeping, please get me out of here somewhere. I have to serve. Why am I here? So I remember those times, right?
This resonates with every devotee.
Yeah.
You know, they go through some uphills in life.
Yeah.
In fact, it happened with me when I couldn't make it to the temple. I was praying to the Lord at home. Bhagwan, I don't want to be here. I just want to be in your service.
Yes.
And the Lord reciprocated sincerely.
Correct. Yes,
and I just came here to Jaipur to do that.
Soche.
Yeah.
So beautiful. They make arrangements. I think Shri Kishori ji and Shri Thakur ji, they are very, very compassionate for the devotees. If we are sincere in our hearts, because as Paramatma, he is watching and listening.
So what happened when you were crying and you were writing?
I was weeping. I remember profusely weeping. I remember parking my car and I'm weeping and praying at the same time and telling them that you have given me these gifts. I know I had gone astray और मैं कुछ और ही अधम कर रहा था अपने जीवन में, but you know I'm not here to do this. I'm here to do something else. And और parallelly I had started writing my scripts. मेरे को पता था कि अब
अजामिल का एक स्टोरी,
अजामिल का दूसरा साथ में तब से प्लानिंग माइंड में, लेकिन प्लानिंग नरसिम्हा भगवान का चल रहा था
क्योंकि प्रभुपाद के लेक्चर्स आपने
सुने हैं और भक्तों के साथ भी संवाद हो रखा है. कुछ ड्राइंग्स मैंने कर रखी है, कभी मैं आप लोगों से शेयर करूंगा. सन 2009-10 की ड्राइंग्स
फोटो शेयर कीजिए कि मैं डालूंगा पॉडकास्ट में.
जी. सो ओल्ड ड्राइंग्स, वेरी ओल्ड ड्राइंग्स. तो माइंड में था ये करना है या वो करना है. घर में कभी फ्री टाइम मिलता है तो कंप्यूटर में बैठ करके हिरण्यकश्यप का डिजाइन बना रहा हूँ, ये कर रहा हूँ. ऑल दिस मदर इज आस्किंग, बेटा क्यों कर रहा है बेबी?
ये 5 साल में हिरण्यकश्यप नहीं बनेगा. बहुत सालों से बनता आ रहा है.
जी. तो मन में इट्स ऑल प्लेइंग एट दैट टाइम. स्टोरी बना रहा हूँ, स्टोरी बोर्ड बना रहा हूँ. अद्भुत है भगवान हमारे. So yeah, that was the kind of prayer that went out in 2010. I remember weeping.
Then 10 साल क्या हुआ?
So 10 साल फिर पहले शादी हुई एंड शादी के बाद शिल्पा से मेरा डिस्कशन हुआ that I don't want to do this job. I need to do something else. She is from a business mindset, business family. Then both of us ventured into a business together. और मैंने उसको बताया कि मुझे एक्चुअली एक स्टूडियो खोलना है आगे जाके, एक फिल्म स्केल बनानी है. आई वांट टू मेक इट ऑन भागवतम एंड आई वांट टू टेल फिल्म्स दैट हैव नॉट बीन टोल्ड. And she studied finance and she supported. She agreed. सीधा agree कर गई वो.
Okay.
It was
just
amazing.
Like नारायण मूर्ति की सुधा मूर्ति 10,000.
Yeah. वो मेरी सुधा मूर्ति बन गई. लक्ष्मी मूर्ति. Right. So she agreed and we were like, we should make our own money.
Because you were
because
husband or because she saw a spark in you that you can do something.
Two things. एक तो वो खुद भी भगवान से जुड़ी हुई है, तो she knew कि it is important to bring these guys. शायद मैं अगर husband ना भी होता और she would have done it definitely, because she knew the value of bringing valuable things like this, like virtues.
We should have her also, no problem.
Right. तो she knew it and भगवान उनको gear up कर रहे थे to become a producer. How to seize the opportunity. How to arrange funds, right? And because her first line was, we will do it, but we'll create our own money and do it. We will not take money from anywhere. हम खुद से अपना लगाएंगे. So then we ventured into our own e-commerce business, which was that we run for some time. And we made money.
Yeah. Right? It's like Prabhupada, before going to the West or when his Guru Maharaj ordered him, why don't you preach this message?
Definitely.
So Prabhupada, I'm a family man, I'm a businessman. I'll earn a lot of money.
Yes.
I'll become Tata and Birla.
Yes. Then I will do. Yes. Correct.
Yeah. Anyways, just remembered.
Yeah. But भगवान के जो यज्ञ है वो अलग ही तरीके होते हैं. उनकी आहुतियाँ बहुत बड़ी होती हैं. That time we don't know. We are naive. No? हम बिल्कुल
जो भी आप बोलते हैं ना, फॉर अस वी हैव टू कनेक्ट विद प्रभुपाद एंड कृष्णा.
यस. प्रभुपाद की तपस्या यदि आप देखें, उनके जब संन्यास धारण करने के बाद की तपस्या, इट बिकम्स इवन ग्रेटर, मच ग्रेटर. और कितनी बार तो किताबें लिखी उन्होंने, कितनी बार गायब हो गई किताबें, कभी कितना कुछ
पूरा मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट
लिख करके फिर से रीडू.
वाइफ हैड सोल्ड इनफ. दिल्ली में इतना दिक्कत हुआ उनको, अप एंड डाउन जाते थे, मैगजीन बेचते थे.
जी. So his life is exemplary and we must learn. So she agreed and then we ventured into business. हमने बहुत बनाया पैसा उसमें, लेकिन जब हमने बिजनेस शुरू करा, अपना जब स्टूडियो सेटअप करा, तो वो पैसा कितनी जल्दी खत्म हुआ, I can't even imagine to tell you.
प्रभुपाद के साथ ही ऐसे हुआ था. फैक्ट्री पे आग लग गई. प्रभुपाद बोलते I was forced to surrender.
Yes. I mean, and at one point when I felt down and out, Srila Prabhupada ji came into my dreams, and it was so surreal. It was like right in front of me. I felt he's standing in front of me. I didn't know I was dreaming or was he real. He was as real as you, like standing. Yeah, with danda he was standing. First he was strict because he chastised me for not chanting properly. So I know it is him. So first he chastised me for not chanting properly. Then he said, this film must be done. It must be made. He told me. And then after that, I never looked back. Yeah, after 1.5 year of starting the film, this was the case. This was the episode that I had. Even I was surprised at what was happening because the challenge was not to just make a film, but वो सारी चीजें करना जो आज से पहले किसी ने नहीं करी. ना हमको वर्कफ्लो पता है, ना हमको पाइपलाइन पता है, ना इस कैलिबर के आर्टिस्ट भारत में इस प्रकार के काम पे आज तक जुटे हैं. उन लोगों को ला करके ये विजन देना कि ये हो सकता है, और वो भी आप भगवान की फिल्म बना रहे हो, वो भी एनिमेशन पे बना रहे हो,
वो भी 2020 में,
वो भी 2020 के अंदर बना रहे हो, और आपको लगता है वो चलेगी किस I don't. So if somebody asks me, should somebody do it this way? I will never say do it this way. This is not a normal way to do things. It requires madness. तो और वो भगवान की स्फूर्ति और श्रील प्रभुपाद का.
It requires madness.
It requires madness.
Madness in a
yeah divine
sense. Yes.
Divineness.
और प्रभुपाद का एक lecture, who is crazy?
Actually
they are crazy and they say we are crazy. So this is that craziness for Krishna consciousness, which Prabhupada
yes
drops.
करेक्ट. और मुझे शायद ये भी पता था कि अगर मैं ये नहीं करूंगा तो आई विल हैव टू गो बैक टू डूइंग दोस थिंग्स. शायद माइंड में ये भी था.
फियर इज आल्सो देयर.
और वो मुझे करना नहीं, मुझे यही आता है.
डिवोटी का वही फियर है, मुझे माया में नहीं
जाना, मुझे तो यही करना है. राइट. मैं प्रे करा था रो करके कि मुझे शक्ति दो. भगवान ने मुझे थोड़ा पैसा भी दे दिया करने के लिए. अब उसके बाद भी अगर मैं नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ तो यू अंडरस्टैंड. तो इट इज डू और डू. देयर इज नो डू और डाई. डू और डू डाई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है.
फर्स्ट टाइम डू और डू.
डाई इज नॉट द ऑप्शन. आखिरी श्वास भी आ जाए तो भी यमराज भगवान को बोलना पड़ेगा, धर्म महाराज
वो भी वैष्णव है.
हाँ, आप महाजन हैं, आप तो अंडरस्टैंड कीजिए, अभी तो अभी सेवा बाकी है.
Vishnu will come, not Yamaraj.
Yes. So the idea was to do or do. Last over है, हर बॉल पे छक्का मारना है. Right. So at that time it is a state of full surrender. Right. But that journey कि मतलब where Shilpa also had to keep arranging these funds.
She had to borrow?
She had to borrow funds. I had to borrow funds. She had to borrow funds. She was at the face of it. From my parents, from her parents, both of them put all their also personal savings. Right? हमारा जो घर, we had to put it out on mortgage. Right? और हमारा जो गोल्ड वगैरह, we had to put it out on mortgage. Not at one को धीरे धीरे. Everything is going on in this यज्ञ. हर चीज तथास्तु हो रहा है अभी नरसिंह भगवान के यज्ञ में. इसमें इट इज लाइक दैट.
एंड व्हेन यू अप्रोच्ड वेंचर कैपिटलिस्ट और प्रोड्यूसर्स, दे वर नॉट हेल्पिंग यू.
नॉट इजी. नो. somebody will say yes, but they will manipulate it in such a way that in the end you will be the loser anyway.
Any such thing which you want to share in the podcast which you make sense? If it makes sense.
देखिए, I remember Srila Prabhupada's journey when he was making the Juhu temple or something.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mr. Nair had cheated him.
Yes. So there are many Mr. Nairs in the world. Right? In the material world, it is full of these cheater and the cheated, like Srila Prabhupada's line only, There are only two kinds of people, cheater and the cheated. Right? It is full of these people. They are waiting to take advantage. So that spiritual anchor बहुत आवश्यक है. I think at that time I've chanted more 16 वगैरह तो it's I don't even count it anymore. I used to keep, but I had to meet people, deal with these people, make them understand. So, but they don't understand. Point is this: the reality is this. But how things get managed, that is only and only through divine kripa. There is nothing else that can save. Like Prahlad,
Grossly realize this.
yes. जैसे प्रहलाद महाराज only नाम के वजह से है. There's nothing else to it. There's no logic. इसके ऊपर कोई तर्क ही नहीं है. It goes beyond तर्क. So this film is beyond tarka. That's all I say.
And you checkmated all other side, and you have no other option other than to depend on the law.
No others. People are coming. They are saying we will give you this, we will give you that. They scam us. They've taken our money. When we don't have money, everything is on mortgage. You understand? Every pie. Why? Because we have to pay the artist. वरना artist चले जाएगा तो काम कैसे होगा? Artist को भी pay करना है. She's sold. बच्चे भी हैं, so she is granny also at the end of the day. She is a homemaker also at the end of the day. She's put everything at risk. Why? Because ये आहुति होना बहुत आवश्यक है. किसके लिए? ये नाम बाहर जाने के लिए, लोगों के हृदय तक पहुंचने के लिए. That one thing stuck with us. We are going every day praying, crying, weeping to Jagannath and saying, do whatever, we'll weep. That is all that we can do. But whatever you have to do, you have to do. And we trust your divine plan.
Yeah. Prabhupada's Jaladuta prayers, back and backward. You brought me to this horrible place. Make my word suitable for your understanding. I'm a puppet in your hands.
Correct.
Make me dance the way you want me to dance.
And that has been our praise. कि भगवान tell us where to dance next. आज भी सुबह उठकर मेरा पहला प्रेयर यही रहता है. ठाकुर जी बताओ कहाँ नाचना है next. You tell me where to dance. We'll dance. We are yours. You make us act. We will dance where you want to dance. So that is the only thing you can do. And that is still our state. All this buzz, all this hype, I say, it can really get to us. And I just keep praying and telling everybody, please don't let us fall to this hype. बड़ी मुश्किल से ये सेवा बड़े जन्मों जन्मांतर के बाद हमें वापस मिली है.
वो humble रहना बहुत difficult है.
Yes.
Because the congratulations, no?
Yeah.
The struggle nobody has seen. The struggle nobody has supported. Yeah. Congratulations, everyone comes up.
Correct.
Same with...
Yeah, all that is there. All that hype is there. So we lived through that. दोनों मैं ये कहता हूँ मियाँ बीवी के घुटने छील गए और परिवारों को सब कुछ दाव पे लग गया. लेकिन द्रौपदी की लाज जैसे ठाकुर जी ने रख ली थी ना, बट इट इज एग्जैक्टली द सेम स्टोरी. तो भगवान ने ऐसी लाज बचाई.
Your kids who were there, they could sense that you're going through this challenges.
No, we were very fortunate to have both our parents, mine and Shilpa's, to give them enough establishment कि उनको लगे ना कि struggle ऐसा है. And now they can rejoice, of course. Now we can all rejoice. But at the time when we are going through it, and even as a husband and wife, it becomes very difficult. It's very challenging. Then we fight also because of this. Because उनका एक दृष्टिकोण है, मेरा एक दृष्टिकोण है, right?
How do you reconcile when it happens to all families?
Dharma has to reconcile.
Center point Krishna.
Center point has to be Krishna. Only that reconciles. Seva has to reconcile. सेवा से सर्वोपरि हम नहीं है. पिक्चर इज द हाईएस्ट. द महाअवतार नरसिम्हा इज द हाईएस्ट. माय नेम, शिल्पा's नेम अगर हमको हटाना भी पड़ जाए, वी वर ओके एट वन पॉइंट बिकॉज दे वर ऑफर्स लाइक दैट. राइट. इट्स ओके इफ दिस गोज फॉरवर्ड टू द वर्ल्ड, दैट इज सफिशिएंट. हो गया हमारा काम. राइट. वो तो अगेन ठाकुर जी की कृपा है जैसा हुआ. बट या ऑल दीज थिंग्स हैपन. I've had people जिनको वो जो 4 प्रिंसिपल्स मैं छोड़ करके जीवन जी रहा था, उनको वही चाहिए. Right in front of me, they're asking me for these favors.
On the face.
Clean, they're asking for these favors. So you have to go through this. क्या करोगे? You have to go through. You have to fight those inner challenges, battle, and they're out there to scam you.
Your integrity is at question.
Everything is at question.
Everything
is at question. Everything is. और उसके बाद वो लेके आपका सब कुछ भाग जाएंगे. You see how beautiful this world is, right? But then Krishna appears in so many different forms, in different words, and he saves.
In short, if you can tell one thing where you have been on the brink and it's going to collapse, khatam abhi, and somehow Narasimha pulled you out from that, or he destroyed the entire difficult itself.
So most of the people who cheated us, I'll tell you that's Shilpa's and mine realization, who cheated us, their careers have got destroyed automatically. Within our studio, outside, automatically, somehow or the other.
Narasimha,
That's Narsimha. That's directly Lord Narsimha's. How there's no tark again to it. Their lives or career or something or the other पूरा हिल गया उनका. Those who tried hard to cheat us or even cheated us, something or the other major.
Mr. Nair also died.
Oh yeah, I know that story. So he protects, and the way he protects is exactly like he comes to save Prahlad. That's a union of bhakti and Paramatma actually. Paramatma ke liye that it's a yujya, na?
And for devotees who are watching this in the theater, for us the touching part was not the animation. वो प्रहलाद का जो रियलिस्टिक डिपिक्शन है, वो हार्टफुल सरेंडर है.
जी.
हे नाथ, आई जस्ट वांट टू सरेंडर टू यू.
Yes.
यहाँ पे हम पिघल गए.
That's true, no? That's true.
I saw everyone nearby, all my leaders or even bhaktas, they were all in tears.
Yeah, while making it so many times we've been in tears. उसको मैं वो actually वो scene, वो पूरा film एक तरफ और वो scene पूरा एक तरफ, I'll say. और वो मैं बहुत often देखता भी नहीं हूँ. Because I weep after watching it so many times. I weep.
That's the crux of the whole movie for us.
Yeah. That's the crux of bhakti, isn't it? That's the crux of Bhagavatam in so many ways, right in front of us. Where Srimad Bhagavatam comes alive, where you see the expansion of Bhagavan everywhere in everything. That's who we see ourselves to be, and then you serve Bhagavan in that.
Another point was Prabhupada tells them Narsimha was furious. You couldn't contain him.
Yeah.
And the way you told Brahma ji, aap batao, and Lakshmi ji, aapki husband hai batao. And Prabhupada tells that actually. And Prahlad immediately offers obeisances.
Correct.
And invokes the compassion of the Lord.
Yes.
And when I saw that, I just could correlate with what Prabhupada was.
Yes. His lectures have such a profound effect. Srila Prabhupada, it's बहुत ही detail में mention है. He makes you visualize when Srila Prabhupada talks. He makes you visualize. Philosophically and story-wise, when he's narrating the Leela, he takes you in the Leela. And then you have BBT के पुराने जितने भी paintings हैं.
There's a spiritual world.
Yeah, windows
of the spiritual world. Prabhupada ने खुद समझाया उनको बनाने के लिए.
तो वो अपने आप में इतना सुंदर डिपिक्शन है. तो बस क्या करना था उसको, बस मूवमेंट देना.
प्रभुपाद भी जब डिवोटीज को जो सिनेमेटोग्राफी में वगैरह था, फिल्म मेकिंग में वगैरह था, एक लेटर भी मैंने आपको शेयर किया था. तो प्रभुपाद बोलते प्रेजेंट इट एज इट इज. एंड आप अगर मैं पर्सनली इन्वॉल्व होना चाहता हूँ इसको डायरेक्ट करने के लिए, अगर मैं नहीं आ पाए एटलीस्ट स्क्रिप्ट मुझे भेजो. इट हैज टू बी ऑथेंटिक एज इट इज. क्रेडिट गोज टू यू एंड योर टीम टू प्रेजेंटिंग इट एज इट इज.
नो, द क्रेडिट गोज टू,
इफ नॉट एज इट इज, नो, वी वुड नॉट बी देयर इन द थिएटर. द थिएटर वुड नॉट बी टेम्पल्स. Seeing devotees in the theater, leaving the chapels aside, doing kirtan, it's a revolution. We could never imagine that could happen. And the kids who are watching the video, ये तो Thor को मार देगा.
ये तो Thor को मार.
नरसिम्हा तो बहुत खतरनाक है. See, the impact children's में होती है.
प्रभु जी जितने भी आर्टिस्ट ने काम किया ना मूवी के दौरान, every day they are chanting the Narsimha Leela, Narsimha mantra. It's going on, playing. सारे फॉर्म ऑफ द लॉर्ड वो सामने देख रहे हैं, वही क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. सो मेनी ऑफ देम left their bad habits of being non-vegetarian, smoking, drinking. A lot of them started keeping Nirjal Ekadashi.
You didn't even preach them.
No, I didn't preach them. I want
that's
to
the beauty of
that's the beauty of it. Right? ये प्रभाव है नाम का. ये प्रभाव है फॉर्म, भगवान की लीला और फॉर्म्स का आस्वादन करने.
And as it is presentation of
as
Prabhupada.
It is presentation. So, and a lot of them are from different religion. You have
Different religion.
Different religion.
Oh,
That's
Krishna.
what I'm trying to say. Right? So, you have to understand the power of
I
this.
wanted to show you that Muslim boy talking about the
Yeah.
movie review.
Yeah.
And he said you should put all the directors of Bollywood and beat them up. You have seen that, right?
Yes, I've seen that video. You sent me. But the point is, because when you're talking about faith, you're talking about and you're hitting the deepest thread of the construction of the spirit soul. Is based on faith, on love with Bhagwan, right? We are touching those chords. So that's why it becomes universal. That's why it becomes universal. इसलिए theater मंदिर बन गए. इसके पीछे की जो तपस्या है शिल्पा की, मेरी, ये सिर्फ मेरी नहीं है, ये बता रहा हूँ मैं आपसे, ये सारे आर्टिस्ट, वॉइस आर्टिस्ट जितने भी है, सब ने मिलकर के जो तपस्या करा ना, और ये भगवान का एक तरह से स्फूर्ति इसमें
निमित्त बन गया,
निमित्त, हाँ,
सब निमित्त,
हाँ,
सब्यसाची,
सब, हाँ, तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली अब सब निमित्त बने जा रहे हैं वो एक्सपीरियंस करके. सो दिस इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ इट.
Prabhupada engaged everyone in the service of the Lord.
Yes, हर जैसे अपना हर गली गांव में गौर लीला में जैसे बताते हैं भगवान का नाम गूंजेगा, वही हरि नाम गूंजेगा हर थिएटर में. अभी हरि नाम
बिगिनिंग ऑफ द गोल्डन एज. तो हम सोचते थे कि किसी को चैंटिंग करवाना है या कुछ डिवोशनल एटिकेट सिखाना है तो इट टेक्स 6 months to 1 year रफली.
नहीं अब पिक्चर दिखाओ आप. अब नाउ यू सेंड देम टू थिएटर्स.
अरे नहीं तो एक बार वृंदावन लेके जाना पड़ेगा उनको. बट अभी मूवी दिखा दो थिएटर में and they get mesmerized. 1-2 घंटे का पैकेज ऑफ कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस does that.
जी 100%. So that is the idea.
वो बोलते हैं जल्दी बोल पनवेल जाना है. That kind of an audience. So you have to present it Krishna conscious like this. So Prabhupada engaged all tech, anything under the sky in the service of the Nirbandhe Krishna Sambandhe.
जी.
Everything has to be engaged in the service of the Lord. And this is one of the powerful media
100%.
which can transform. It can touch the hearts of even non-believers.
जी. Yes, because I was a non-believer. I was a non-believer. Something like this अगर मैंने देखा होता, it would have definitely at least touched me. और किसी के हृदय में यदि भगवान के नाम का गुणगान बीज जाता है तो वो कब फलीभूत होता है. मेरे अंदर गया, किसी ने डलवाया, डाला, श्रील प्रभुपाद की वाणी मेरे पास आई, कैसे फलीभूत हुई ना. तो इसी प्रकार से मेरे जैसे कितने लोग अंधकार में आत्मा है.
अगर प्रभुपाद की वाणी उन
तक पहुंच जाएगी
तो
कितने ट्रांसफॉर्म हो जाएंगे आप. मैं तो बस ये इसीलिए मेरा ये स्वधर्म है, यही मेरा पुरुषार्थ.
स्वधर्म, यस, प्रिस्क्राइब्ड ड्यूटी.
क्योंकि भगवान की ही दी हुई ये सारी टैलेंट्स हैं. वेयर एल्स कैन आई यूज दिस? आई आस्क माई सेल्फ दिस क्वेश्चन.
आज भी मैं न्यूज देख रहा था टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया का. So they've used that word mythology again.
जी.
So
that is unfortunate because वो DNA में शायद डाल दिया गया, but वो चेंज कर देंगे, हम चिंता मत करिए.
अर्बन नक्सल घुसे हुए, लेफ्टिस्ट घुसे हुए.
जी.
So when this became successful, because August is a month where you get a lot of long weekends and the big labels of Bollywood and the South they release, and I would not take the names of the movies which bombed.
जी.
But roar of Mahavatar Narsimha silenced them all.
The roar is still on, Prabhu. Abhi he is still in the theaters.
How do you see it?
देखिए मुझे पता था कि धाड़ने तो जा रहे हैं अब ये थिएटर में. यू नो ही इज गोइंग. अब क्या उधम मचा के आएंगे वो वही यू नो उनकी लीला है. सो ही इज डूइंग व्हाट ही डज बेस्ट. ही इज रोरिंग. एंड will it touch these kind of figures? Will we break these kind of milestones? Will it change the things of the industry? These are the things we used to seldom talk about. But हमने कभी ये सोचकर फिल्म नहीं बनाई.
तो
हमारा उद्देश्य
फंडामेंटल तो प्रभुपाद ने आपको इंस्पायर किया.
हमारा उद्देश्य कभी ये नहीं रहा कि हम ये इसको उधार देंगे या ये
बेंचमार्क सेट
कर देंगे.
ऐसा नहीं.
बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ये सारी चीजें हो जाएंगी. हमें लगता था कि कुछ तो होगा, वो देखेंगे क्या होगा. इट विल बी फन टू वॉच. सो ऑल दिस इज अ कॉन्सिक्वेंस ऑफ भगवान बीइंग इन द सेंटर. मुझे ऐसा लगता है. और कल प्रभु जी यहाँ पे बड़े सुंदर से मुझे बता रहे थे कि भारत के अंदर बहुत सारे टर्न ऑफ इवेंट्स में नरसिंह भगवान की कहानी जो अपनी लीला है वो फिल्मों में दर्शाई गई है. जैसे फर्स्ट कलर फिल्म जो आई थी.
हाँ सही है, कलर फिल्म
जी. तमिल में हमारी
जो भी इंडस्ट्री में शुरू हो तो पहले भगवान की होती है. उसके बाद बाकी सब चेंज हो जाती है. बट यू हैव टू मेंटेन दैट.
जी शायद रिस्पांसिबिलिटी. तो शायद उसी प्रकार से ना
आपने वो हम्बले फिल्म्स में टाई अप किया तो राजकुमार का जो था बचपन में मैंने देखा है.
जी
बचपन में देखा है. आई वाज इन टीयर्स व्हेन आई वॉच्ड दैट.
कितनी सुंदर पिक्चर है वो मैंने भी देखी हुई है. पुनीत राजकुमार जी की. एंड देखिए हुम्बाले फिल्म्स के बहुत अच्छे मित्र थे वो. हुम्बाले फिल्म्स के पार्ट एक रहे हैं वो. और हुम्बाले फिल्म्स में ही कांतारा पिक्चर आई थी जिसमें वरा अवतार का भी वर्णन है. और नरसिम्हा भगवान फिर उनके पास आ गए. प्रहलाद महाराज फिर उनके पास आ गए. तो isn't this divine? Isn't this all divine arrangements?
How did you crack up Humbale?
So we Shilpa और मैं we used to discuss that we always needed a big banner because to make it big, क्योंकि पिक्चर भी बड़ी हो रही थी धीरे धीरे, राइट? पैसे जैसे लग रहे थे, पिक्चर का साइज भी बड़ा हो रहा था, स्केल भी बड़ा हो रहा था, एंड वी न्यू दैट दिस इज लार्जर देन लाइफ. इट नीड्स टू गो आउट एज अ फिल्म इन अ थिएटर. ये हमको क्लियर था, नॉट एज जस्ट OTT फिल्म. जैसे हमको
वेरी क्लियर पहले से.
Yeah, because
OTT में तो नहीं जाना.
क्योंकि उसका जब when I was designing the film, it was designed to be a huge scale film, not a small scale film. तो उसका एक्सपीरियंस ही हमें पता था शुरू से कि इट्स अ थिएट्रिकल एक्सपीरियंस. तो उसके लिए चाहिए भी हमको ऐसे लोग जो समझ पाए ये. सो हमारे जो उस टाइम पे लॉयर साहब थे, तो उन्होंने हमारी मीटिंग क्रैक कराई थी हुम्बाले के साथ. तो जब हुम्बाले जी के पास जब हम गए थे, first day they saw the film.
First day he came to our temple, ISKCON Bangalore.
अच्छा,
producer.
अच्छा, वाह, हाँ, Chalve ji. I think Chalve ji. He came to the temple. Yes. Now I remember he was saying. Yes. So they watched the film and they loved it. They were clapping and they had very good feedback. And the very next day they were on board. So it took nothing actually.
At the end of the day, but सैंडलवुड फिल्म मैंने रिसर्च करा था, सैंडलवुड फिल्म कैसे हो गया? बिकॉज नरसिम्हा साउथ में ज्यादा हर जगह पे हर एक गेम में है, हर एक हिल में है.
जी. So हाँ, तो इवन बिफोर मेकिंग द फिल्म, सो वी वेंट टू अहोबिलम, राइट? तो सारे नव नरसिम्हा,
अभी अहोबिलम ट्रिप अनाउंस करने के लिए बहुत इजी हो गया.
सी 1-2-3 मेरे दिमाग में 1-2 आइडियाज थे कि आफ्टर द फिल्म पीपल शुड नो अबाउट अहोबिलम. दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दे शुड नो these क्षेत्र्स. They should read about Narasimha Bhagwan. They should read Srila Prabhupada books. They should know about the temples. So that was the idea. And so we did that. That was a गुप्त एक तरह से आइडिया हमेशा हमें यही था. So now people know what is Ahobilam, right? जैसे एक बहुत पहली बुक आई थी, I'll tell you the inspiration of this. The Da Vinci Code करके एक किताब थी शायद, right? और उसके अंदर इल्यूमिनाटी, नाइट्स टेम्पलर, ये सारी चीजें हैं, और दे आर रियल वर्ल्ड. उसमें जो प्लेसेस है फ्रांस के आसपास, वो सारी रियल वर्ल्ड. So I was like, हम अपने लिए क्यों नहीं कर सकते? करेक्ट. Let people watch this film and go to Ahobilam, and when they see the Rakhtkund, they will know ये पिक्चर में भी था. When they see Varadev, Crude Narasimha,
ये सब सारे बुक्स पढ़ रहे थे, भगवान इसके लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहा था.
Perhaps, yes. You understand? तो ये सारी चीजें एकाग्र हो गई basically.
Now for the success bash, and Allu Arvind ji also had spoken in Telugu, and there you had a very short, crisp, humbling, thankful note. So I just loved that. I would probably play that in the podcast. So that comes from the heart.
Yeah, I don't prepare. I just speak my truth. So वरना झूठ बोलेंगे तो याद रखना पड़ेगा. सच बोलते तो याद नहीं रखना पड़ता. So it's easier that way. So I could not. I don't understand Telugu speaking, but I understand the bhava what they were saying. So I answer it like.
So in which other language it has been done now? Because so people are asking me, Prabhu, उनसे पूछिए कि English में कब आएगा?
Correct. Currently, we have 5 Indian languages, as we know: Hindi, Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, and Malayalam. Right now, it's all over the world in these languages. Now, understanding the demand, I would want to do English, Russian, Spanish, and Korean, because a lot of K-drama, K-soaps come here. We need to.
Chinese का?
Chinese probably not, अभी not sure, but ये तो करना ही है. इसके अलावा एक और भाषा मैं सोच रहा हूँ. 4-5 languages we will.
English में तो होगा.
हाँ, English होगा. बट उसमें मेरे को बस एक हंच ये है कि आजकल लोग सबटाइटल देखना ज्यादा पसंद करते हैं. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस. भाव लूज नहीं होना चाहिए. नो मैटर व्हाट लैंग्वेज, द भाव इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट.
जैसे कि आपका वो हिंदी में गाना था, वो बॉलीवुड फ्लेवर था.
यस.
जब साउथ में वो तेलुगु में आया था ना, वो तेलुगु वाला फ्लेवर में.
राइट.
यू कॉन्शियसली डिड दैट?
या. ओके. वी वर वेरी कॉन्शियस ऑफ इट, एंड सैम CS, आवर साउंड म्यूजिक क्रिएटर, तो ही हैड दैट नोशन विद मी. सो वी वर वेरी क्लियर कि ऐसा होना चाहिए. हाउ एल्स विल इट व्हेन इट गोज टू Telugu state, they should feel it is theirs. When it goes to Kerala, they should feel it is theirs. When it goes to Tamil state, they should feel it is theirs.
Which state, which language gave you more better response?
After the Hindi belt, it has been Telugu and Kannada belt, right? And Tamil belt is also picking up, and last would be Malayalam.
I hail from Kerala Malayali. You have a left legacy there. Yeah, God's own country.
God's own country.
And you're making Parshuram now.
Yeah.
And it's his land.
That's his
So how going to portray this combination? Because Parshuram, any thoughts which you... I don't want you to share the spoilers, but nevertheless...
See, Parshuram
को कैसे portray करेंगे आप?
So Parshuram Kshetra, again, the entire Konkan belt and the entire, basically it's a pulled land space by Shri Parshuram Bhagwan. Parshuram Bhagwan ke around, I think there are many myths which we will obviously clear out. But most importantly, जो उनका दर्शाना है is his being a Brahman and being Kshatriya at the same time, balancing and understanding the right philosophy, and him killing the 21 adharmi Kshatriyas. People are the loosely adharmi Kshatriyas, right? People generally say Kshatriyon ko maar diya. ऐसा नहीं था. He was very intelligent avatar of Bhagwan, right? And I'm doing a lot of research and we have a research team. So even Shripad Madhvacharya ji का जो है, Srila Prabhupada ने of course जो कहा हुआ है, and और भी जो परशुराम समाज है आज की डेट में, what is their view? It is very important because he is Ishta still, right? And he is a Chiranjeevi, so he could be listening.
Yes. Right. And he's a very...
yes. तो लोग भगवान जैसे
Narasimha is, we should be very careful.
Yes.
More careful than Narasimha, you should be with Parshuram.
Yes, because जैसे कहते हैं नरसिंह भगवान अभी थिएटर में धाड़ रहे हैं, ये तो थिएटर में फाड़ेंगे. So I have to be careful about it. So I'm being very cautious about it, but at the same time there is glorification का intent. I really want to glorify Bhagwan Parshuram now. Because nobody has done it, unfortunately. Gau Seva is so important in Parshuram ji ki. Yes. Matra Seva is so important. And these are the things
if
that
this message organically is level पे अगर common mass पे पहुंच जाता है ना, they get transformed.
Yes.
जैसे कि just मूवी बनाते बनाते वो ट्रांसफॉर्म हो गया. अगर मूवी देखेंगे, रिलीज करेंगे,
correct,
तो क्या ही ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होगा.
100%. So please bless us that we will be able to do that.
What you want from Hare Krishna movement ISKCON devotees to help you, in the sense an appeal or a request or a plea or a
my
prayer?
biggest plea is to always keep reminding Shilpa and me especially to keep serving you all. That is my plea, because हमारे जीवन का उद्देश्य आप लोगों का पूरा आत्माओं की सेवा करना, ताकि उनको भगवान से हम जोड़ पाए. दैट इज द विजन मिशन ऑफ क्लीम, राइट? पूरे विश्व के वैष्णव एक हो जाएं, पूरे विश्व के लोग एक हो जाए भगवान के नाम में. दैट इज
सर्वजनो सुखिनो भवन्तु. This is the purpose of our movement.
Yes. That is our purpose. That is our purpose. And बस हम इससे चूके ना, और अगर यदि हम चूकें तो आप लोग हमें याद दिलाए कि हमारा पर्पस क्या है. Because we are human at the end of the day. We can falter. But with your love and support and आप लोगों के मार्गदर्शन से हम ऐसा नहीं करेंगे.
And we are just eager, me personally, at least हर 2 साल में मूवी जाके देख सकते हैं थिएटर में.
जी. सारे थिएटर अब मंदिर बने रहे आजीवन काल तक, और सारी आत्माएं जागे भगवान के नाम तक, और श्रील प्रभुपाद का नाम हर दिशा हो. उनकी जो जितनी भी लिटरेचर जो उन्होंने लिखे हैं और जितनी भी उनकी वाणी है, हर दिल को छुए. दैट इज द पर्पस.
The other series which you have planned, so it will take less time than Mahavatar.
Yes.
Because you have a ecosystem now who would be supporting you.
Yes.
So Humbal is still with you.
Yes. They are going to be. They are guiding light in this route with us. And not just this, but there are other films apart from Mahavatar series also that I will be doing. But all my themes are transcendental in nature, because that realization I have in my life, that is what I have to do. So live action भी करेंगे हम कुछ.
Live action मतलब जो
real life film,
real life movies, actors will perform. In the same thematic universe, or
no, different.
Okay, that would be connected with the other leelas of the Lord.
Yes, I will do a film on Ajamil, like I've already told you. वो तो मैंने लिखी हुई है. And there is one film that is a calling to me on Ardhanarishwar that I have to do.
Okay.
That film is probably going to be live action also. But apart from the Mahavatar Narasimha or Mahavatar series, in which we'll do the all 24 avatar actually. We'll do the entire 24 avatar.
एक चीज डिवोटी से पूछ रहे थे, अश्विन से पूछना कि कितना लगा है पैसा.
This is a 40 crore project.
Okay.
Mahavatar Narasimha as of today what we stand. इसके अंदर मार्केटिंग इंक्लूडेड है. इसके अंदर VPF कॉस्ट होता है, जो फिल्म थिएटर में जो चलती है उसका कॉस्ट देना पड़ता है आपको. वो सब इंक्लूड करके 40 CR का प्रोजेक्ट. And now that is international, तो भी और it keeps
और भी
increasing.
ज़्यादा
Yeah.
होगा.
Because we need this to go out to people. And इसका जो जितना आपका एक्सपीरियंस थिएटर में आएगा वो फोन या टीवी पे नहीं आएगा. तो लोग कितना ही पायरेसी भी कर ले तो एक्सपीरियंस पायरेसी नहीं कर पाएंगे.
Actually, did you anticipate such a response, such a success, or you had this fear success होगा कि नहीं होगा, पैसे चले जाएंगे?
नहीं.
What was your thought
वो एक
process before?
सीन में है प्रहलाद महाराज ऐसे नैया आगे कर देते हैं ना हम, तो वो हमने बस नैया कर दिया आगे.
अभी ऐसे बोल रहे हैं या एक्चुअली फील कर रहे थे एक्चुअली?
Actually, right before delivering the film, I was in Hyderabad at Annapurna Studios, and we were actually, the delivery of the film is very complex. You have to understand कि ये as a debut director, शायद हिस्ट्री में पहली बार हुआ होगा कि this was a delivery of 10 films, not one film. बिकॉज एक ही फिल्म को 2D में 5 लैंग्वेजेस में डिलीवर करना, परफेक्ट डिलीवरी, और 5 लैंग्वेजेस में 3D में डिलीवर करना,
2D, 3D and languages.
and 5 languages. So all these 10 deliveries had to go in perfect. So I was for 3 days, 2.5 days back to back watching the films again and again. कुछ मिस्टेक तो नहीं हो गया तो फिर से रीडू करना उस टाइम.
100 mistakes in Mahatar.
हाँ
आ जाएगा.
वो नया चैनल ही बन जाएगा उसका किसी. So I had to give the best delivery. So me and Shilpa were right there. It's like delivery of a child, no? तो उस टाइम पे नहीं सोच रहे कि ये बड़ा हो करके.
This sums up the whole heart of you.
Yeah.
Delivery of a child. I got this.
Yeah.
This is my trailer point.
तो उससे पहले ये नहीं सोच सकते बड़ा होकर डॉक्टर बनेगा या इंजीनियर बनेगा या एनिमेशन करेगा. So we were too consumed with that. So we were like, क्योंकि उससे पहले फिल्म तो जो बना दी अब it is what it is.
जैसे कि डिवोटीज जो अर्चा विग्रह आराधना करते हैं तो वो कृष्ण बलराम के डेकोरेशन करते हैं, जो राधा माधव के डेकोरेशन करते हैं. So they constantly meditate,
correct,
contemplate, visualize, think how my Lord should appear today. कौन सा पोशाक पहनना चाहिए, कौन से.
तो इस केस में आई वुड लाइक टू गिव अ लॉट ऑफ क्रेडिट टू शिल्पा, बिकॉज अगर वो मुझे रोकती नहीं, मैं लास्ट मोमेंट से चेंजेस कराते रहता. लाइक somebody doing the अर्च विग्रह का सेवा and making beautifying, endlessly they will keep beautifying.
Correct.
हमको निकालना पड़ेगा, टाइम हो गया.
बांसुरी बजा रहा है.
हाँ, टाइम हो गया, come out. Same thing. So till the final delivery, like she was standing there, she said, Ashwin, we have to let go now. We have done our best. Because last moment तक I'm
नरसिम्हा के बाल,
ये better हो सकता है.
teeth.
Yes.
So you're actually meditating on the Lord.
Correct.
For 5 years you were actually pregnant with the Lord.
Yes. That is.
You delivered.
जी. It is like that.
फिल्म तो बन गया, but generally वो जो मार्वल सीरीज के टॉयज आते हैं,
जी, मर्चेंडाइज
आता है.
जी.
तो नरसिम्हा का भी कुछ मिलेगा हमको. अगर इफ आई सी किड्स wearing such t-shirts or having such toys with them.
Yes, definitely.
Watching a series.
I've grown up on toys. One thing I forgot to share. I've been obsessed with toys. I still collect toys. Toys, but now I collect the statue toys. They're very expensive, but I study them. And it has been my dream to get gaming and toys both. So हमारी gaming arm भी will be opening, which is a part of Mahavatar series, where we'll be getting gaming, but toys also. But toys में एक issue ये मुझे लगा कि we are dealing with भगवान at the end of the day. तो फेंकना ये वो, तो वो एक थोड़ा सा मेरे को sensitive लग रहा है. So I'm just trying to deal with how do I caveat that, but probably something that once I do, probably will do something.
Maybe series, comic series या film series.
Comic तो we are already producing.
Okay.
Comic will be getting out very soon. Comic we already have.
That called AVCG, something like that.
AVCG stands for animation, VFX, gaming. It's a name of industry.
Okay,
this thing. But we are doing all forms basically. Animation भी कर रहे हैं, VFX भी कर रहे हैं हम, comics भी कर रहे हैं हम, gaming भी कर रहे हैं.
महावतार की सब आएंगे अभी.
ये सब कर रहे हैं.
ओह. इनसे पहले, परशुराम से पहले आ जाएंगे ये लोग. साथ चलेंगे.
As ये हमारा 10-12 साल का प्रोग्राम है, तो सब धीरे-धीरे हम.
बहुत बड़ा होती है ये.
Yes.
I heard in a short which you said last 25 मिनट जो था उसके लिए 1 साल लगा.
From the time you see the Holika sequence, अगर if you've seen the film तो प्रहलाद महाराज को ले जाओ इसे, फेंक दो इसे किसी समंदर में. From that point on, जब वो प्रहलाद महाराज को वाटरफॉल से फेंकते हैं, गरुड़ देव आते हैं, वरुण देव बचाते हैं, वरुण देव से डायलॉग हो रहा है, फिर वो प्रहलाद महाराज का मोनोलॉग है, ये सारा अपना जितना भी ये व्याख्यान है ये आपको श्री विष्णु पुराण में मिलेगा. दिस एंटायर एपिसोड इज इन विष्णु पुराण. फिर इसको मेडिटेट करना, इसको थिंक करना, इसको इनैक्ट कराना, उसके बाद फिर वो गीत जो है ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय,
9th month labor.
So this were twin baby. This itself was one baby. This entire scene. Then फिर वहां से लेकर के
एक तो ऑलरेडी आ गया. बरहावतार.
जी. सो ये सारी चीजें थी. फिर नरसिंह भगवान तक का प्राकट्य, अपना हिरण्यकश्यप और प्रहलाद महाराज के बीच का जो कन्फ्रंटेशन है, कन्फ्रंटेशनल संवाद है. इट्स हैज टू बी आइकॉनिक.
करेक्ट.
राइट. एंड फिर भगवान नरसिंह का तो फिर आइकॉनिक पे आइकॉनिक. ईच थिंग हैज टू बी मोर आइकॉनिक देन द अदर. राइट. तो एंड हैविंग दैट, वी यूज्ड टू कॉल इट द रेड रूम फाइट सीक्वेंस. जो आप नरसिम्हा नमा जो सुनते हैं वो सब रेड रूम हो जाता है उसमें. तो जब पर्दे आते हैं तो सारा लाल सब.
आपने ग्रीन स्क्रीन यूज नहीं किया, रेड स्क्रीन यूज किया क्या?
इट्स कॉल्ड, वी यूज्ड टू कॉल इट द रेड रूम फाइट सीक्वेंस. उसको विजुअलाइज करना. उस सीक्वेंस की सबसे खास बात यह है कि उसमें कोई भी कट नहीं है. जब भगवान को आप उस फॉर्म में देखते हैं, अष्टभुजा में देखते हैं, सारे उनके हाथ में जो जितने भी वेपन्स होते हैं, उस पॉइंट से लेकर के जब वो सबका शुरू करते हैं ऑपरेशन, तो देयर इज नॉट अ सिंगल कट. सो दैट सेक्शन आल्सो टुक वेरी, वो सेक्शन ही तकरीबन 6 महीने लग गया होगा. वो रेड रूम फाइट जो है.
ये पेशेंस कैसे आया?
कोई चॉइस ही नहीं है.
Choice ही नहीं है. It has to be world class.
It has to be perfect. You're looking at perfection at that time.
Having said that, being a director, whom you want to change, given a chance, you would change further. As a critic of yourself, what you would have changed if you given a chance now?
I would redo the entire film. Don't ask me
Krishna.
this. Don't ask me this. I can still redo the entire film. So that is where the patience of producer comes in.
Shilpa ma'am.
Oh yeah. Because after doing everything, I would say I don't like this. फिर से करो ये चीज. Yeah. And then she would start counting. This is the money that has costed in this. How will you do this again?
She'll count the
she's
numbers.
counting the bucks because she has to arrange.
True.
Right. So it's so painful for her. So it's a divine.
Now for the next Parashuram and other scenes, she would not interfere probably.
Well, she knows if it can prove in merit, right? And she understands the process now.
Correct.
Right. True. And she understands what it takes. And I also understand what it takes, you know. So now भगवान की कृपा से it should not be a problem.
So you have plans to get in the best of the labels from outside, or
no,
you want to do
all indigenous. यहाँ पे इस फिल्म के लिए we had to get artists. I had to train them myself in so many things into the pipelines and stuff like that. But मैं बाहर काम नहीं दूंगा. भारतवर्ष के अंदर भारतीयों के द्वारा भारत के लिए ही भारत की कथाओं का काम होगा.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है. And जब मैं कॉलेज में था, एक अक्षय कुमार का फिल्म आया था. उसमें वो बोलो हरे कृष्णा हरे राम हरे कृष्णा हरे राम. तो इवन माय फ्रेंड्स यूज्ड टू हम इट. आई वाज फील हैप्पी. एटलीस्ट दे आर चैंटिंग.
नाम तो आया था.
उदम पुराना वाला था. तो ये ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवा, यू नो, even the Gen Zs are humming.
Yeah.
They have their collar tune. I see that. No, our wish from devotees side, if there's something in your future, Hare Krishna's tune can be incorporated, where that would make people chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra.
We'll definitely get that. We'll definitely.
That would be our request.
We'll definitely get that.
So it's been really a pleasure talking to you, Ashwin. All devotees from across the globe are thankful to your endeavors and hard work and tapasya. And thanks to Prabhupada to inspire you. Otherwise, his books, his Vani has transformed you. And because of one soul getting transformed, there are millions across the globe who gets the bija of Krishna consciousness. So we are really, really touched by your endeavors and hard work. We'll be always indebted to you for your endeavors. Thank you so much for being here.
Keep us blessed, Shilpa and me, that we keep serving all Atmas to meet the divine in so many ways. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.